Hello children, welcome back to Personality Enhancement Program, and I'm back with the general knowledge or the GK session. Today's topic is all for a reason. It's a very interesting topic, children. We know that our earth is such a wonderful and beautiful place in the whole universe. And what makes it so beautiful and unique? It's nothing but the life. We have got like so many species living with us, like millions and millions of species that are living along with us, that are sharing our planet Earth. And every creature, every creation is made with a reason. Like it has a reason. Everything has got a reason. That's the title of our lesson, all for a reason. They are created for a reason. Today when we talk about birds, what comes to our mind? What crosses our mind? We think of, the lovely colors, the vibrant colors, and their beaks, their bills, the colorful bills. Sometimes, some birds have very colorful bills. There is a lot of variation in the size, shape, color of the not only of the feathers but also of the bills or the beaks and the claws. Some have talons, and if you see them, be it their the bird's body of the birds, when you see that each part is so wonderfully created in order to adapt to the aerial habitat. Yes, be it their hollow bones or their wings or their feathers or their tails or their claws or the talons, all these really help them to adapt to the aerial environment, or nothing but the aerial habitat. They help them to fly, and there are some flightless birds also, so they help them adapt to their own habitats. Yes, so every bird has got its own distinct features. Like if you see, some birds have very short beak, like which is used for mainly for crushing the nuts and all that, but some have hooked beak. Yes, in order to tear the flesh of the animals and all that, the prey, right? And some have got, the curved talons like the hawk or anything, the eagle. But some of them have normal claws. They are called as normal claws only. They are sharp, but they are not very curved. They are pointed, but they are not curved. That is the difference between the claws and the talons. So in our today's lesson, all for a reason, we will be learning about, these, mainly the claws or the beaks, I think. So we'll be learning which kind of bird, mainly for chiseling also. Chiseling, the woodpecker and all that, they have got a distinct beak, very sharp beak and a strong beak. So in that way, every bird has got its own distinct features. In our chapter, we will be learning about these distinctive features which birds possess. In order to know more about them, please do complete the exercise. This chapter 2, all for a reason. Every bird has got a separate set of, the toes, or what you call the feet, their claws or the talons, they are of different configuration, and it is all based on their landscapes that they inhabit and their eating habits, nothing but the food habits. Say for example, duck. Duck is a swimming bird. Actually, it paddles its webbed feet in order to swim on the water, right? So it has got webbed feet. And if you talk about the songbirds, usually we say, the songbirds and all, their toes are differently arranged so that they can perch nicely on the branches, they can grasp the branches nicely. So their toe structure is different, like 2 in front and 2 in the back, so that they can actually perch it very well. Perch or have a good grip on the branches. So like that, different birds have got different adaptations, and mainly the adaptation of the feet, the changes or the configuration of the feet is mainly dependent upon the landscape that they inhabit. That means where the place where they live, how do they live, like are they perching birds, or they swimming birds, or they just walking or running birds. So it depends on on their environment in which they live, right? So please complete this exercise, and that is not actually the part of the activity. You complete this and send me the pics. There's one more activity which you have to do, based on which you will be judged and you will be given the certificate, and that is you have to write a short essay. Please don't write 1 sentence, 2 sentences. Don't simply copy as it is from the Google. Do some work, understand, and cut it short, and make your own essay. Don't simply copy off. You write an essay about adaptations of birds to their habitat, aerial habitat. What are the different adaptations that the birds have undergone during the course of evolution, how they have adapted to their environment. Like if they are flying birds, what are the different adaptations, like what kind of changes their body has, like what are the distinct features which help them adapt to the aerial habitat. Okay, in that way I want you to write about the adaptations of birds. Okay, adaptations of birds to the aerial habitat. Okay children, write a short essay and submit it to me before 6 p.m. today. Thank you.